first part of the serve is the stance. Come up to the baseline and stand with your front foot directly behind the baseline and your feet about shoulder width apart. Angle your front foot diagonally into the court and have your back foot parallel with the baseline. You also want your back foot to be behind your front foot. This is commonly called the party stance because it's very similar to how you might stand if you were talking to somebody at a party. Hold the racket with a continental grip and hold the tennis ball in the fingers of your tossing hand, not in your palm. Hold it in your fingers. Point your tennis racket at the net and hold the tennis ball against the throat of the racket. This is Tim Henman in his stance. He's one of the pros that uses the party stance when he serves. And he's got his feet about shoulder width apart, and his front foot is right up at the baseline, and it's angled diagonally into the court. His back foot is parallel with the baseline, and it's right behind his front foot. If we now look at him from the front, still in his stance, he's holding the racket with a continental grip, and he's got it pointed at the net. He's holding the tennis ball in his fingers, not in his palm. He's holding it in his fingers, and he's got the tennis ball against the throat of the racket.